Hi, and welcome to our new ArabClicks video series, How You Can Earn More with ArabClicks Coupons. This is the second video in the series entitled Earn More with Tracking Coupons. If you want to find out what are tracking coupons, where to find them, and how to get them, you've come to the right place. Let's start from the very beginning. Coupons are a modern method of giving a discount to shoppers on their purchase. By sharing coupons, you're giving your audience additional motivation to buy, so you'll improve your sales numbers. Tracking coupons are one of two main types of coupons. The other type are promo codes, which we'll cover in the AirPlix video entitled Earn More with Promo Codes. I'll put the link in the video description below. Tracking coupons, or tracking codes, are also referred to as offline codes, coupon redemption, and coupon attribution codes. These are unique codes assigned to you personally and shared in your channels. Every coupon used by your audience is then tracked by the advertiser to ensure that every purchase earns you a commission. This guide shows you step by step how to apply for and receive your codes. How to find and get your tracking coupons. Finding your tracking coupons is easy. There are two main ways: from the All Offers page or from the Best Coupons and Deals page. ArabClicks tracking coupons require approval in order to get your personal code. You can request up to 2 of these offers before you reach $100 payout. After you've requested a tracking coupon, our team will review your account. And if you meet our minimum traffic requirements, you'll get an email with your code. I'll put a link to our minimum traffic requirements in the description below. Finding coupons from the All Offers page. Just log into ArabClicks and on the left select Offers, then All Offers. To find tracking coupon offers in the filter, click Show All, then Offer Type, then Coupons, then Apply. Once you've selected an offer, simply click Request Code in blue, then review how many approval requests you have left in the pop-up that will appear. Then click Request Approval on the blue button here at the bottom. Now your tracking coupon request is under review. Now let's have a look at how to find and request coupons from ArabClicks' Best Coupons and Deals page. First, log into ArabClicks, then click Offers, then Best Coupons and Deals. This page has all the trendiest live discounts and sales currently available at ArabClicks advertisers. To see just tracking coupons, click on Show All Coupons, then select Tracking Coupons. Now you can see all available tracking coupons displayed here. Some of the most important details on each offer are here, including offer name, discount, payout type and amount, dates, categories, and geos. Get coupon terms here on this page, under Description, and then More Details. Once you've selected an offer, simply click Request Code in blue, then review how many approval requests you have left in the pop-up that will appear, then click Request Approval on the blue button here on the bottom. Now your tracking coupon request is under review. Once you're approved for a coupon, you'll get an email with your new personal discount code, and the text on the right of your offer on the All Offers and Best Coupons and Deals pages will change from Request Approval to Show My Code. You can also always click this text to get a pop-up with your tracking code, or click the green My Coupons button in the upper right-hand corner. A window will appear to show you all of your codes sorted according to status: pending, active, paused, expired, and inactive. Thanks for watching Earn More with Tracking Coupons. Check out the rest of our series on how you can earn more with ArabClicks coupons. You'll find out what are ArabClicks coupons and how to use them, how to maximize your link conversions with promo codes, how to check your coupon earnings, how to get coupons from the ArabClicks app, and much, much more. Find links to all these below in the video description. And be sure to get all of our new videos just as soon as they're released. Just click the red subscribe button on the right below. Thanks for watching.